Yo, what's good, y'all? Alright, so I just went and picked up this Dodge Magnum. A little scrape up here. I need that fixed. Nice grill still. Couple flaws in the paint. I'll get it touched up. Nice little wheels, don't look too bad. Real clean. Some nice slotted rotors. Got the bar up top, the sunroof. We got about 157,000 miles on it. Nice original navigation. I'm gonna get all that stuff done. See, it's pretty decent. We're gonna decent cleaning up, be alright. Got the sunroof. Everything still feel good. All the windows and controls work. Sorry about that, y'all. The famous Charger Magnum vent issue. This model did come with the premium Boston acoustics audio. Got the WeatherTech all over. We got the K&N, we got the Flowmasters on there. A little dirty, I just washed it. But washed the window, not the car. But pop the hood for y'all. Y'all already know what's under here. Yeah. Big boy Hemi. Nice K&N, got my oil catch can on here. Brand new water pump. Brand new head gaskets, valve cover gaskets. Brand new radiator fan as well. I mean, man, that ice cold AC. My strut mount bar up there. Yeah, man. Overall, solid car. This was a 2005, so this is the first year of the Hemi that they had the 16 spark plugs, but they, had wires, instead of just coil packs. You can see right there, it even has a fire order for the coils and the plugs. So, yeah, bullet technology, man. Go get y'all one. Everything that I'm showing y'all in this video will be listed in the description below. Excuse the Gatorade and stuff. I also do have a Diablo Sport tuner. I haven't got a chance to mess with that yet, but I'm definitely gonna be doing that. Yeah, man. All in all, a good car though. Got Flowmasters. I think Flowmaster Outlaws, I believe. See if I could get down here and let y'all see. But yeah, Flowmaster Outlaws, straight pipe, true dual, welded, beautiful exhaust system. Yeah, man. Just had to come let y'all check this out, man. What y'all think? And drop how much y'all think I paid in the comments, and I'll do a free giveaway. How much y'all think I paid? Out here in the middle of the mountains, somewhere. We're on our way to California. But yeah, man, great car. Wagon Mafia. Again, the badges. My favorite. The grocery GETTER. Yeah, man, I ain't gonna do too much to it though, man. Might be a project car, might throw a 6.1 or maybe a 6.4 in it. It just all depends how I'm feeling. I know for sure I'm gonna get this paint touched up, and I'm gonna do the 20-inch SRT rims, the newer style. I'm also gonna be changing out these badges to the newer RT badges and taking the Magnum badge off as well. But yeah, man, great car, man. Get that paint touched up, but literally the body is in perfect condition. You can see the lines, like no big dents or dings, you know, just a couple little pieces of chip paint, you know. But what do you expect after, you know, this is a 2005, so this car is about 16 years old, you know, so I think it's definitely holding up pretty good. Tell me what you guys think.